Good morning, students. Today is Wednesday, that is 6th January 2021. Thought of the week: believe you can and you will. Students, we have already started lesson number 9. We have completed first part, that is highest common divisor, that is highest common factor, SCF, or we can say GCD, greatest common divisor. Now we have already started second part of this lesson, that is least common multiple, and we have started practice set 25, where we are going to find the LCM of the given group or pair of numbers. We have done three sums of question number 1, therefore the fourth one. Here we are going to find the LCM of 15 and 20. Solution: multiples of 15. Listing the multiples means nothing but writing the multiplication table of 15. Therefore, multiples of 15 are 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, 135, 150, 165, 180, and so on. Multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, and so on. Common multiples of 15 and 20 are 60, 120, 180, etc. Least of the common multiples is 60. That is, the smallest among the common multiples is 60. Therefore, LCM of 15 and 20 is 60. Next example, example 5. Here we have to find the LCM of 8 and 11. Solution: multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96, and so on. Multiples of 11 are 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, and so on. The lowest and a common multiple of 8 and 11 is 18. If you want to find out more common multiples, you have to continue finding the writing the multiples and then find, but least of the common multiple is 88, and therefore we can say that the LCM of 8 and 11 is 88. Now question number 2, word problem. Solve the following problems. First one: on the playground, if the children are made to stand for drill, either 20 to a row or 25 to a row, all rows are complete and no child is left out. What is the lowest possible number of children in that school? I repeat, on the playground, if the children are made to stand for drill, either 20 to a row or 25 to a row, all rows are complete and no child is left out. What is the lowest possible number of children in that school? Solution: arranging the children of the school in a row of 20 or row of 25, no child is left out. So, the number of children in a school is a multiple of 20 as well as 25 both. Multiples of 20 are 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 160, 180, 200, 220, and so on. Multiples of 25 are 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250, and so on. Common multiples of 20 and 25 are 100, 200, etc. The least of the common multiples is 100. Therefore, here we can say the LCM of 20 and 25 is 100. And therefore, the last answer, therefore, the least number of students in the school is 100. Next word problem number 2. Veena has some beads. She wants to make necklaces with an equal number of beads in each. If she makes necklaces of 16, or 24 or 40 beads, there is no bead left over. What is the least number of beads with her? I repeat, Veena has some beads. She wants to make necklaces with an equal number of beads in each. If she makes necklaces of 16 or 24 or 40 beads, there is no bead left over. What is the least number of beads with her? Solution: to make necklaces with an equal number of 16, 24, or 40 beads and no bead to be left over. So, the number of beads is a multiple of 16, 24 as well as 40. Therefore, multiples of 16 are 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128, 144, 160, 176, 192, 208, 224, 240, and so on. Multiples of 24 are 24, 48, 72, 96, 120, 160, 200, 240, and so on. Multiples of 40 are 40, 80, 120, 160, 200, 240, 280, and so 320, and so on. Now, the lowest common multiple of 16, 24, and 40 is 240. Therefore, the LCM of 16, 24, and 40 is 240. Therefore, the final answer. Therefore, the least number of beads she must have is 240. Students, you have to complete this work. You have to write the given material from all slides in your copy. Complete your work on time. See you in the next period. Thank you and have a nice day.